Hey guys, my name is Debashish Mukherjee. I'm a BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, presently doing a practical training on embedded systems. Well, I'm uploading a series of video lectures on C programming for beginners, primarily for beginners, but well, all are invited to view these lectures and comment on them and you know put forward anything they have in their mind. This is the first lecture, so I won't be talking about C programming as such, but what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how to get Ubuntu on your system. And since this video tutorial is about beginners, so I'll show you a very simple way to get Ubuntu without going into your boot menu and going for partitioning of your hard disk, etc. So what you do is, beginners, what you do is you log on to your Windows operating system. I have Ubuntu running on now, but you can do the same things what I'm doing now here on your Windows system too. So what you do is you log on to your Windows system, you turn on your or you open your web browser. In this case I have Mozilla, you can have anyone. So you click on that. I have my YouTube open, so just give me a second. So you'll be getting this kind of a thing. Okay, so you Google WUBI and search. You'll get these many links, and you click on this Windows installer for Ubuntu desktop. So this is the window that gets opened. Now here you have Windows installer for Ubuntu desktop. So what it enables you to do is you can install this particular installer from using this button, get the installer, and before doing that you can also choose which version you want. This is 12.04.1 LTS, that is lifetime support, and 12.10, which is supported for 2 years. So I have 12.10, so it's your wish which one you want to install. Then you before downloading the installer, you have to read, or you should read, the installation instructions, which are these. When you get the installer, you click it, you will have this, you'll have this window pop up. You save file, then you go for, then a security message may appear depending on your system settings. If it does not, well and good. If it does, click continue, and then you'll have this window. Window is the most important one. See, you can see from the image given here, the background is Windows 7, so it is absolutely on Windows system. So what you get to know from this window is that in which drive your Ubuntu will be installed. C, don't change it, don't change it, don't change it, and don't change it too. So you change nothing here. What you do is you put your username in this particular field, and you put your desired passwords, and copy the same password into the other field, and you click install. So after that, you will have this window pop up. Yeah, another thing that I like to mention here is that you need your internet connection to be on at all times during the whole process. So you after you click install, you get this window popping up, which would show you how much your what is the progress of your installation. After that, after installation is completed, you will get this window which asks you to reboot now, or manually reboot it later. I suggest you to reboot now, to choose reboot now option, and finish. Click finish, and then your then your system will be automatically restarted, and you'll get this window when your system gets restarted. You select Ubuntu using your arrow keys and press enter, and after that it automatically gets installed, and whatever processes are required, it does it automatically, so you have to do nothing. And at the end, what you get is this particular desktop. So this is how you get or Ubuntu in your system without going into partitioning of hard disk and all stuffs, which are really confusing for beginners, as it was for me. So yeah, that's what you do. Now after getting Ubuntu, you have to go on, well, C is included in Ubuntu, as you know, Linux is developed on C. So C is given already in your system, so you don't have to think of installing C or doing anything. So this is it, how you get Ubuntu. And why I'm telling you to use Windows installer for Ubuntu. As a beginner, you would find it very difficult to partition your hard disk, understand things, and do your system settings. So it is very easy to do it with the help of Windows installer. And the good thing is, if you are not happy with your Ubuntu or you want it to be deleted or uninstalled, what you do is you just open your Windows 7 or Windows operating system. You go to your C drive, and you'll find Ubuntu folder there. Click on it, enter it, and you will find an uninstall application. So you just uninstall there and Ubuntu is gone. You have to do nothing else. It's just Windows just treats it as another Windows application, and that's the best thing about it. So yeah, that's all about how to get Ubuntu, and about the first lecture on C programming. And on the next from the next lectures, we will be talking of C programming in detail. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned, and I hope I have explained to you well enough how to get Ubuntu. And if you think you are confused, comment in the YouTube space and I'll be answering you.